Here we will see working of operator overloading in Python. In Python, special functions, which are also known as magic methods or dunder methods, are a set of predefined methods with special names that provide functionality and behavior customization for classes. These methods are invoked implicitly by Python in response to specific operations or events such as object instantiation, attribute access, operator overloading, and more. These magic methods allows you to define custom behavior for various operators when working with objects of the custom classes. These methods have double underscore at the beginning and end of their name. For example, the addition operator is overloaded using the add method and the less than operator is overloaded using the lt method. Magic methods are called automatically by Python when a particular operator is used with user defined object. For example, if you add two objects of a class that has overloaded the addition operator, Python will call the add method to perform the addition operation. Magic methods for mathematical operators are: for addition, the special function is to underscore add, again to underscore and with parameters self and other. For subtraction, the method is to underscore sub, again to underscores with parameters self and other. For division, the method is to_div. For floor division, the method is floor_div. For modulus, the method is mod, and for power, the function is pow. The magical methods for assignment operators are: for increment, the method is iadd. For decrement, the method is isub. For product, the method is imul. For division, the method is idiv. For modulus, the method is imod, and for power, the method is ipow. All these special functions are having parameters self and other. And magical method for relational operators are: for less than, the method is lt. For greater than, the method is gt. For equal to, the method is eq. For not equal to, the method is ne. For less than or equal to, the method is le. And for greater than or equal to, the method is gt. And for unary operator, the magical methods are: for negation, the method is neg. For plus, the method is pos. And for absolute, the method is abs.